Welcome to my channel Car Quest Pro. A budget van with big surprises? Looking for a budget-friendly 7-seater van that's practical, fuel-efficient, and built for Indian roads? Meet the Mahindra Jeeto Van 7-seater, a small van with big features. Whether you're running a family taxi service or just need an affordable people mover, this compact van could be your next smart investment. Let's explore what makes it special. Design and build, compact yet spacious. The Jeeto van might look small, but it's smartly designed. With a clean, utilitarian exterior, sliding doors for easy entry, and a high roofline for better headroom, Mahindra has focused on practicality. Inside, the cabin is basic but functional, offering enough space to comfortably seat 7 passengers including the driver. It's a tight fit, but well suited for city rides and short-distance travel. Engine, power and speed, built for efficiency. Under the hood, the Mahindra Jeeto is powered by a 625 cubic centimeters single-cylinder diesel engine that delivers around 16 HP and 38 Nm of torque. No, it won't win races, but with a top speed of 70 km per hour, it's ideal for city and semi-urban use. This engine is all about mileage and durability, not performance. And yes, it's BS6 compliant, so you're good on emissions too. Features and practical use, no-nonsense utility. The Jeeto van keeps things simple. You get essentials like manual steering, steel wheels, basic seats, and sliding windows. But the highlight is its fuel efficiency, around 35 km per liter, making it one of the most economical vans in the market. Plus, with a tight turning radius, it handles narrow lanes and crowded markets with ease. Price and value, the real deal. The ex-showroom price of the Mahindra Jeeto van 7-seater starts at around 4.30 rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable 7-seaters in India.